overcoming challenges to bring blockchain technology to mainstream gaming.
Hi everyone. Let's see if it works. Oh yeah. So I'm Assad. I'm the co-founder of Medieval Empires. We are a blockchain play and own game with one of the best strategy gaming teams in the industry at the moment. And I talk in crypto language about the topic, which is when blockchain gaming mainstream. This is what everyone asked for, and I want to make a big statement, and this is blockchain gaming is shit. I'm a entrepreneur who is working on a blockchain game, but if we have a look at the current stage of a lot of companies in the game, we see that blockchain games, they are still very bad. If we talk about game economy or graphics or the team behind it, we have so much bad examples in the space that this is how people think outside about blockchain gaming. But the question again is why, more in detail, and that's pretty easy. So if we talk about blockchain gamers or usual gamers, if they want to join a game, they want to do it in a very easy way. At the moment, you need a wallet. It's very hard. I come from performance marketing on a global level, and if you have a wallet for usual gamers and they don't understand that, you will drop 99% of the funnel you created at the beginning. The games are not fun to play at all because it started with play and earn and play to earn, where you just build something to make money out of it, but you don't have the customer in the focus of the game. We see a lot of scams outside in the crypto gaming industry at the moment, and also no transparency from gaming studios. So the good news is, after saying crypto gaming is shit, I believe very strongly that crypto gaming will disrupt the gaming industry itself, because it has so much potential in getting good things for the players by themselves. If we talk about, we have a good game and we want to play it, we have fun to play it, and on top, I can get something from it, so I can participate in this economy, then this is a game changer. And this is what's happening with blockchain gaming. We talk about ownership. That's the main thing, right? If we talk about usual games, you can play the games, you can have fun playing the games, but you never really own it. And if you want to sell it on any marketplace, you are not allowed to. And the gaming companies, they don't expect you to sell it because they don't make any money with it, right? They only make money if they sell it to you one time. And after that, it's not possible to track what you do with the in-game assets so good. Blockchain technology actually gives the possibility to track what happens afterwards. If we talk about the token utility, on a blockchain you have a token. With a token, you have no borders in terms of how people worldwide can pay or receive money. That's the next big thing, I would say, because if you just think as a gaming company having different locations in the world where you pay out in different fiat currencies or you need to let them pay in different fiat currencies, that's a big issue. It's possible, but it's a big hurdle. And the third thing is a decentralization to make it safe, that people, what they own, they really have it over time and they can do whatever they want to do with these assets. So we see a lot of good news in the industry at the moment about blockchain gaming. If we talk about big gaming studios coming in, if we talk about Unity integration in blockchain and MetaMask. So there are a lot of good news. That's the good hope we can see at the moment. But it will take time. And I think that's what people don't understand who make that statement of crypto gaming is shit. Because every change, no matter what it is, I worked also 8 years in digital transformation and change management in big companies. And the biggest thing for a gaming company, for example, is if they want to change to a new business model, they need to convince their own people. And these are big gaming companies with thousands and 10,000s of people. They need to convince to go in a new direction before they can go there. And they need to change their revenue model, which is a big issue because you will not earn as much as you earn at the moment. So that's why it takes time, and it's okay that it takes time. And it's okay that a lot of startups will fail. This is how every big topic at the beginning is starting. Like people trying to do it, they find out more, they fail, eventually it will be very big. But how do we reach mainstream adoption at the end? So I think first of all, our target group are not crypto gamers. I think that's what the crypto studios don't understand. Our target group are the gamers out there. It sounds so easy, but if you see the strategy of the crypto gaming studios, they are always going for the crypto gamers, which is like a very small part in the industry if we talk about gamers. If we talk about gamers, we have 3.5 billion gamers out there playing different kind of games. That's our target group we want to reach. And how can we make it easy for them to join a game? Just look how it's being done at the moment. Make it very easy to access the game with a Google login, with a Facebook login, so that they just register their account, they're in the game. Even if they don't know anything about crypto at the beginning, you can educate them in the game about it. And then if we talk about payment, again, just a small percentage in the world has crypto, has a wallet, so make it easy and use on-ramp solutions, offering a credit card. They can directly buy NFTs in your game, crypto in your game. It's still crypto, it's still NFTs, it's still blockchain, but you just open a funnel of fiat money going into it to make it very easy to reach everyone. Another thing which is also, it should be clear, but I don't think it is if we look at blockchain games, make people having fun playing the game every day. That's the main thing of gaming, right? So if you want people to come back to your game every day because they will also spend money every day if they come back, then make it fun to play. It's as easy as it is. From a thinking point of view, it's easy, but what you need for that is a good game design team, right? So game designers, game economy designers, they know how to create these economies to make them fun every day. So, of course, you need a good team for that. And then a big thing in crypto especially, it's not only crypto, it's also the usual industries in the tech industry. You need to take a lot of action on security, because everything what brings a potential harm from the normal world to the blockchain world, this is smart contracts, these are wallets, these are different kind of interfaces, they need to be very safe and be taken care of with audits from day one. Because maybe at the beginning, the game you're building is not too big, but if it gets bigger and you get your first hacks and issues, then this is a big drawback for any game, and they will lose a lot of users. And the last thing, what I think is very important, I mean, we see it at the moment from the US coming. Regulation is a big part. I'm talking to a lot of other blockchain studios because we help each other a lot in the space, and this is what I really appreciate. But I, at the same time, see that they don't take care too much on regulation. So they just build the game, they want to make it successful, but they don't understand what regulation at the end means and how do I need to prepare my token, for example, to be not a security token, but a utility token or something like that, right? So these are some legal regulation terms you need to take care of at the beginning, because again here, if you don't do it, and later on you are a big game and successful game, and the regulators come and they shut down your game, it's again a very big drawback. So all in all, to summarize, make it very easy for people to join the game, to pay in fiat money with a credit card, and take care about regulation, and let them have fun every day playing this game. And this is actually what we are doing also at Medieval Empires. We are building exactly on these topics I was just talking about. We will have our early access version out end of the month. Happy you guys to join our socials. Thank you very much.